Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the BenQ PD2705U Mac-ready 27-inch 4K UHD monitor, a display designed with creators and professionals in mind. This 27-inch IPS panel delivers sharp 3840 by 2160 resolution, giving you crisp text, detailed images, and plenty of workspace for editing and multitasking. It covers 100% of the sRGB and Rec. 709 color spaces with excellent color accuracy, making it a strong choice for designers, photographers, and video editors who rely on precise visuals. BenQ includes features like ICC Sync for consistent color profiles and dedicated creative modes to fine-tune your workflow. The hotkey puck makes switching settings quick and simple, while Dual View lets you compare two display modes side by side on the same screen. Ergonomics are also well handled with height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments for all-day comfort. USB-C connectivity with 65 watts of power delivery allows you to connect and charge your laptop with a single cable, keeping your desk clean and streamlined. The built-in speakers are convenient for casual use, but for professional audio work, external speakers or headphones are a better option. Overall, the PD2705U combines accurate color, smart features, and clean connectivity in a polished, productivity-focused package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.